Hey, social media world, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and now WhatsApp. Are you looking for an extra large single family home? Looking to be near shopping, a freeway, and close to schools? Or do you just want to have the best family hangout that everyone will be jealous of? If you can say yes to any one of these questions, then you need to cancel your plans for this Saturday. Clear your early afternoon plans. You are not going to want to miss this. 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, a pool, and a spacious backyard, great for the little ones or man's best friend. Come visit us for this mega open house at 2808 Via Piazza Loop in historic Fort Myers in the Forum from 1 to 3. If you think you can handle the combination of luxury, convenience, and safety, then you need to see me this Saturday. Bring the family. They need to know where they're going to be moving to. 2808 Via Piazza Loop, Fort Myers, 1 to 3, this Saturday. See you there. Mega open house. Let's get it.